depending on the person, depending on all the things, you might even bring out a candle and have them blow out the candle. However, does your client have stuff around candles and birthdays? And there's that as well, right? So it's more like a whisper. So you're not necessarily trying to blow the candle out. You're just wanting to see the effect of the air with the CHOOOOO. We're imagining this is a candle. Does it matter if you blow the candle out? No. Does it matter if you can't feel the candle, the breath? No. Does it matter that you're paying attention to your exhale and your exhale is going a distance? Probably. For some bodies, it's going to be weird to just do that. So if you're in a situation where you can get someone on the floor into constructive rest position, so knees bent, feet on the floor, added benefit to being literally grounded, like on the ground, is there's nobody that can come up behind you, right? Because that's where the ground is. It is solid and it gets attention to the back line of the body, where especially for folks who are living with neurodivergencies and trauma or just stress, the focus tends to go here.